Hey guys, Brandon here with Slingmods.com, and today we have the MadStad coil pack covers for the Polaris Slingshot. If you're looking at a little bling to your Slingshot's engine bay with a little pop of color, then this coil pack cover from MadStad may be right for you. As you can see, they come in almost every OE Slingshot paint color and include all necessary hardware for a quick and easy install. So now follow me as we walk you through the installation process. Start by sliding the bolt in through the top of the coil pack cover. Add the spacer underneath. Top it off with the rubber O-ring. And do the same thing for the other three. Then you can unplug the 4 coil pack connectors. Place the coil pack on top of the valve cover. Line up the bolts to the holes on your valve cover. And then tighten them down one at a time, making sure not to over tighten. Now plug your coil pack connectors back in, and you're good to go. Alright guys, well that's all there is to it. So if you want to spice up your engine bay with a little touch of color, be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today and grab one for yourself. And don't forget to like and subscribe below to stay up to date with all the latest greatest mods for the Polaris Slingshot. I'm Brandon, signing out. Till next time.